So this is the Samsung Q6FN. This is the budget 4K HDR Quantum Dot TV from Samsung this year, and it's beautiful. I bought the 55-inch version, but you can also buy the 49-inch, 65, 75, and up to 82 inches. Just keep in mind that the 49-inch model has a 60 Hz panel, while the 55 and up have a 120 Hz native panel. Inside the box you will find the legs, instructions, and of course your remote and power cord. Something I like about this leg is that they don't need to be screwed. They snap right in. It measures 38 inches long from leg to leg by 9.5 inches wide. Another cool feature is a cable management. They help to keep your cables hidden for a much cleaner setup. In the back of the TV, you'll find all your I/O ports on the right hand side. On top, you'll find 2 USB ports, 1 optical port for audio, 4 HDMI 2.0 ports, and port number 4 with ARC support for your audio. Then we have the LAN port and antenna connection. If you're into movies, this TV performs great. The 120 Hz panel gives you great motion for fast action scenes or sports. Quantum Dot enhances the picture, adding a wider color gamut and a much better contrast. This is a bright TV. It manages to hit 1000 nits of peak brightness. It falls short compared to other models like the Q7FN or the Q8, which can peak up to 1500 nits, and the Q9FN, which can peak up to 2000 nits. But that will not ruin the experience. Colors and contrast still look impressive. This is a VA panel, so viewing angles are not the best, but they're not that bad either. The TV comes equipped with a semi-gloss anti-reflecting coat. It's not the best reflecting light compared to my KS8500 or the Q7FN, so this TV performs better in dark rooms. One thing I like about Samsung TV is their Tizen operating system. It's fast, responsive, and easy to use. You have quick access to your favorite apps, inputs, and settings. It's one of the best OS in my opinion. The TV supports HDR10 and soon HDR10+, which is a dynamic HDR similar to Dolby Vision. HDR content from Netflix looks sharp and beautiful. Same with Amazon Prime. If you're a gamer, this TV is for you. All the new QLED TVs from Samsung also included the NU8000, have pretty awesome gaming features like FreeSync 2 or variable refresh rate to help reduce screen tearing and judder, Game Motion Plus to enhance games locked at 30 FPS for a much smoother gameplay, and 1440p by 120 Hz of refresh rate, which works great on PC. HDR also looks beautiful with games that support it. You'll notice an improvement in color vibrancy and contrast when switching from SDR and HDR. The input lag on this TV is around 15 milliseconds while playing at 4K 60 with HDR, which is great for fast-paced games. Audio on this TV is not the best, but it's not bad either. You can enhance the audio by switching from standard to optimized and amplified, but I do recommend to buy at least a soundbar for a better experience. I'm a big fan of Samsung's remote controller. It's small, simple, with all the necessary buttons at your fingertips. One little detail I did notice is when turning on the TV, the remote takes a few seconds to connect since it's Bluetooth. Sometimes I forget about it and I think it's not working. It's a little annoying, but other than that, I haven't had any other issues. I have reviewed other TVs before, but so far this TV has been the best experience for gaming and movies, which is what I use it for. I only wish it supports Dolby Vision and had better anti-light reflecting. Other than that, if you're looking for a QLED TV with awesome gaming features and fantastic picture quality for around $1,000, this TV is for you. By the time I'm recording this video, the 55-inch version sells for $1,100 and the 65-inch version sells for $1,700. If you'd like to know more, I will leave a link in the description of the video. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, and if you like this content, you're welcome to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I'm Joster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joster out.